talking about Twitter and how to get the most out of it and gain more followers. But before we get into that, best you give our viewers, Grant, who aren't on Twitter, the lowdown on how it works.
Well, pretty much, we talk about Twitter on the show all the time, but just to give you a quick overview, Twitter is a social service that's sort of like Facebook, where you can only have 140 character updates. So every full stop and every comment is a character, even every space, kind of like a text message. So it's short, it's sweet, it's poignant, and only people who follow you can see it, and anybody can follow you. It's not private like Facebook has to, you have to have friend requests. Anybody can see what you're posting and sharing, and you kind of want more and more people to follow you so that more and more people can see what you're sharing.
Okay, now talking about that, how does one actually get more followers when it comes to Twitter?
Well, yeah, and like I think you are the expert in that.
What? No, I'm not. Seriously, I just want to know, because I know that there are a lot of people that, for instance, tweet me on a daily basis and say, please follow me back. That does not inspire me to follow them.
Well, like if you're not a gorgeous famous celebrity like yourself, then like we need to do a couple of other things. The first rule on any social media platform is to be interesting.
Yes.
Don't go around telling people what you've had for breakfast or.
Do you do that?
I have in the past, but like we'll talk about that a little bit later.
Okay, cool.
What you need to do is also you need to set up your profile picture correctly.
Yes.
You need to list your location. You need to have an informative bio and list your website if you have one, or another social media site that people can link to motivate people to follow you, know who you are, and see you on other platforms. So I thought that we should take a look at your profile.
Okay. Oh, wow. You're going to take a look at mine?
Yeah, let's take a look at your profile.
All right.
Okay, well, you particularly have an incredible profile picture.
Thank you.
You have a great description. Your description is as follows. If I have a quick look at it, it says TV and radio presenter on at Expresso Show and at Good Up FM. No matter how impossible, unattainable, or unimaginable something may seem, if it's meant to be, it'll be.
That's
proudly
a great
South
quote,
African.
though. That is a great quote.
Well, it says a lot about you.
Okay.
So it says that what you do. It says where you're at, where people can see you, Expresso and Good Up FM. Those are hyperlinks, which means that you can click on that link and see Expresso's Twitter page and Good Up FM's Twitter page. And it shows you a little bit of your personality with that quote.
Yeah.
And that you're proudly South African. So a lot of people will want to follow you as a result of that, which is very cool.
Now, bios aside, I know that it does tell you a lot about the person, but what about saying things that grab people's attention? Because that's the reason I follow another individual.
Well, it's really important on Twitter to update your profile. Don't just, it depends on how you use it. Some people use it as a feed to follow famous people and want to see what they're up to. But if you want to get more followers, you have to update your feed. People must see what you're tweeting. You've got to contribute. You've got to compose, number 2, interesting, funny or thought-provoking tweets. Most potential followers will glance at your most recent tweets. So when you click on your profile, there's a list of your most recent tweets to see if you're worth following. Therefore, it stands to reason that the better your tweets, the more followers you'll gain. And number 3, add some variety. Make sure you're tweeting on a variety of subjects that are pertinent to you. So fashion or celebrity news, or links to websites with really interesting stories, a cool picture, a selfie or two in the studio. That will help boost your prevalence. And also remember to post multimedia. Pictures and text aren't the only things that you can post. You can also post video clips, and sometimes it's quite fun. You should check out Kat's profile. He gets some really funny video clips on there. So you got to check it out.
That's pretty interesting stuff. Now, what if I was marketing myself as a company and I wanted to use Twitter to do that? How would I go about doing that?
Okay, well, the trick here is don't only post about your company. I think people have a tendency just to, once they have a company profile, to just like flood their feed with things about their company, because they think that people find their company interesting. Unfortunately, it's not necessarily the case. You've got to couple it with interesting content that your followers will find useful and that maybe your company stands for. So this applies to both businesses and individuals. So find out what's trending on Twitter and make use of hashtags.
Oh, I love hashtags. Why are they so important, though?
Hashtags are really important. Using a hashtag is a great way to connect to people with similar interests and to increase the visibility of your tweets. If you add a hashtag to your tweets, you can also create tweets based based on hashtags that are popular on Twitter at the same time. So a hashtag will become a hyperlink. When you click on it, it will show you other tweets of other people that are tweeting the same thing. So the earthquake yesterday was a very good example.
Yes.
So people were hashtagging earthquake or Jersey quake, and if you clicked on that, you'll see a lot of people tweeting about the earthquake, and you could join the conversation.
Yes.
But use hashtags with moderation. Don't just flood it with hashtags. Pick one or two relevant or amusing hashtags which can add to the quality of your tweet.
Wow, Grant, that's absolutely fantastic. So you really are the expert on all things that is social media. And you can also follow Grant at Grant Hines if you want to ask him more on these tips. Now, we all know that without internet connectivity, you can't actually use any of these social networks like Twitter or Facebook or Instagram. So make sure that you are always connected. Check out Telkom, that's at TelkomZA on Twitter for some great connectivity deals and packages to suit your specific needs. So visit a Telkom store or you can call 10213 for more information.
Yo, I love social media. Yes.
Lana, over to you. I'm sure that you have like 20 million followers on Twitter, right?
Yes, of course. I have 20 million followers on Twitter at Ilana Africa if you still want to follow. But still coming up on the show, are you feeling hungry? I am. Tim Noakes is in studio. We're going to talk about the Banting diet. I can't wait to touch on it. Professor is here with us. Also, we are touching on your next ride. Chiro is coming, and you know that the guys knows all about cars. It's a new Range Rover. I'm excited about this because it's big, it's fast, and apparently he has other comments, like serious stuff, like torque and how fast it goes, and that 0 to 8 seconds stuff. I don't know. He'll tell us more about it. Stay with your Feel Good Breakfast show. We'll be back after the break.
Turn your house into a connected home for only $3.99 per month from SA's best fixed and mobile broadband network. Call 10213 or go to a Telkom store.